Stop by and take a look at the 2017 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway miles per gallon is not bad either, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, traction control, XM satellite radio, heated seats, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, floor mats, aluminum wheels. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.